Very good afternoon, dear students. So we will continue with what? Dispersion. Okay, dispersion means what? Deviation. What is the deviation of individual series from the mean? We discussed in our last lecture. So today we will be doing measures of dispersion. Means how are you going to find dispersion? What are the methods to find dispersion? Dispersion can be found in two ways. One is absolute measures, okay, one is relative measure. Under absolute measure we have four types, and under relative measures we have four types. Okay, so today we are going to do what? Today we are going to do we are going to find deviation or dispersion through range. Okay, range. So range, okay, we're going to find range and coefficient of range. Okay, so let us do it. First, what is the formula for range? We have to see range is equal to, okay, range is equal to what? Minimum value, maximum value minus minimum value. See, the formula of range is just maximum value minus minimum value. Please remember this. Okay, so by putting this formula we will solve some problems related to range. Okay, range is also one of the dispersion. Okay, so question is like this: the marks obtained by 6 students were 24, 12, 16, 11, 40, 42. Find the range. Okay, find the range. Let us do it. So range is equal to what? Maximum value minus minimum value. Which is the maximum value? You can see 24, 20, 12, 16, 11, 40, 42. 42 is maximum value. So minimum value is, which one is minimum value? 11. Okay, so maximum value, minimum value, that is range. So range is equal to 42 minus 11, that is 31 marks. This is your range. Okay, you got the range. Okay, find the range, you got the range. Now if the highest marks is omitted, if you omit 42 highest marks, so if you omit, then what is the new range you have to find? Okay, then find the percentage change in the range. Okay, so if you omit this highest marks, then what is the new range you have to find? See, the answer is, if again the highest marks 42 is omitted, then among the remaining maximum marks is 40. So now maximum marks is 40. So revised range is 40 minus 11. Since now 40 is the highest marks, 11 is the lowest, so 29 marks is the new range. Okay. Now what is the change of range? Change in range is, first range is 31 marks, second one is 29. So 31 minus 29 is, it is 2 marks. Okay, 2 marks. This is change in. Now percentage change in range is equal to what? So change is 2, so 2 upon first range. Okay, first range into 100. If you are finding anything in percentage, then you have to multiply by 100. Okay, so percentage change is, so 2 is our change in range divided by first range into 100 is equal to 6.45 is our percentage change in range. Okay, very good. Now next question. Okay, from the following data calculate range. Okay, they have given now marks as well as frequency. Okay, marks is 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Frequencies are also given 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so from this you have to find what? Range. Range, what is the formula? Maximum marks minus minimum marks. Okay. Okay, so let us do it. Here upper limit of the highest class interval is 30. Okay, 30 is the highest marks, and the lower limit of the highest class interval is 10. Okay, so range is equal to highest is 30, lower is 10. Okay, range is equal to maximum minus minimum, that is 30 minus 10. Highest is 30, lowest is 10, is equal to 20 marks is your range. Okay, now what question says, if question asks you to find coefficient of range also, okay, coefficient of range, then formula is, the formula of the relative measure is coefficient of range. What is the formula? Okay, formula is like this. Difference of extreme values, okay, divided by sum of extreme values. Okay, difference means what is the difference of extreme values? Extreme values and sum of the extreme values is 30. What is the extreme value? You can say, okay, what is the extreme value? 30 is the highest marks, minus 10. Okay, difference means minus. Now sum of the extreme values, sum of the extreme values, 30 plus 10. Okay, difference of extreme values and sum of the extreme values is equal to what? 20 divided by 40. 20 divided by what? 40. Okay, it will be how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5 is coefficient of range. Okay, so coefficient of range is 0.5. Got it? Now second method is under relative is quartile deviation. Okay, quartile deviation is also one of the methods to find out what? Method to find out what? Deviation. Okay, so formula is this. Formula for quartile deviation is this: 1 by 2 q3 minus q1. Quartile division, if they ask you to find quartile division, then the formula is 1 by 2 q3 minus q1. Okay. Now coefficient, if somebody asks you to find coefficient of quartile division, then formula coefficient of quartile division is 1 by 2 q3 minus q1 divided by 1 by 2 q3 plus q1 is equal to q3 minus q1 divided by q3 minus q1. This is the formula to find out coefficient of quartile division. If you simply have to find quartile division, then this is the formula. Okay. Let us do one question from quartile division. Find the quartile division and coefficient of quartile division. See, you have to find quartile division as well as coefficient of quartile division of the following observation. Okay, so marks are given. These marks, from this particular marks you have to find what? Quartile division. Okay, so solution n is equal to 11. If you count, it will be 11. The observation are arranged in order. Okay, if you arrange in order, it will be like this only. Okay, you have to arrange in ascending or descending. Okay, since everything is in order, so I'm not arranging it. Okay, now first we are finding what? Quartile division. Okay, quartile division, what is the formula? See, 1 by 2 q3 minus q1. Okay, you have to find q3 and q1. Okay, so now how are you going to find q1? The formula is simply q1 is equal to value of n plus 1 divided by fourth item. Okay, if you have to find q3, then this is the formula. q3 is equal to value of 3 in bracket n plus 1 divided by fourth item. Okay, so let us find q1. q1 is equal to simply value of n means how much? 11. 11 plus 1 12. 11 plus 1 12 divided by 4 is equal to third item. When you divide 12 by 4, it will be 3. Okay, So value of third item. Okay, so what is the third item? You can see from here 1 2 3 14 marks is q1. Okay, likewise q3 is equal to value of this item. So value of what? This item. Okay, so 3 plus n plus 1 divided by fourth item. So value of, you can calculate this here. Okay, so 3 n is equal to 11 plus 1 divided by 4. It will be 3 in bracket 12 divided by 4. It will be how much? 3 okay, 9. Okay, so 3 into 3 9. The value of ninth item, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 30 marks. Okay, 30 marks. So you got q1 and q3. Now you can simply put in the formula. Okay, you can simply put in your formula. So Quartile division is equal to, formula is 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 q3 minus q1. Okay, so formula is what? 1 by 2 q3 minus q1. Okay, so 1 by 2 straight away they have written here. 1 by 2 q3 is 30 minus q1 is 14. Okay, so 1 by 2 is written here. Okay, 1 is above, it should not be written. No need to write. Okay, so 30 minus 14 is equal to 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8 marks. 8 marks. This 8 marks is your Quartile division. Hope you understood this. Now again, coefficient of Quartile division. What is the formula? This one, q3 minus q1 divided by q3 plus q1. Okay, so q3 is 30 minus q1 is 14 divided by q3 is 30 plus 40. Okay, simply put this formula. It will be 16 divided by 44. When you calculate, it will be like this. 0.364 is your coefficient of Quartile division. Hope you understood this also. Now one more question from Quartile division. Okay, so see, the question is like this. Compute coefficient of Quartile division from the following. Now you have to find out what? Coefficient of Quartile division. Coefficient of Quartile division is equal to, what is the formula? Just we have seen that. What is the formula? q3 minus q1 divided by q3 plus q1. Okay, coefficient of Quartile division from the following data. They have given variables as frequency. Okay, so now you have to find out Quartile division. Since they have given frequency and this thing variables, you have to find out cumulative frequency now. So we have copied wages x and f here, everything as it is. Now you have to find out cumulative frequency. First one is 4. When you add 4 plus 6 10. Okay, 10 plus 8 18. Okay, like this only. So last cumulative frequency is capital N, right? Capital N. Now since Quartile division, first you have to find out, although they have just asked you to find coefficient of Quartile division, we are going to find out Quartile division also. Okay, so Quartile division, for Quartile division the formula is what? 1 by 2 q1 minus q2, right? Q1 minus q3. Sorry, what is the formula for this thing? q3 minus q1. Okay, Quartile division Quartile division is equal to 1 by 2 q3 minus q1 is the formula. Okay, so you need q3 and q1. q1 is equal to value of n plus 1 divided by fourth item, right? So n is equal to how much? 51. We got 51, right? So value of 51 plus 1, 52 divided by 4. When you divide 52 52 by 4, it will be 13th item. Okay, 13th item. Right, 13th item. Okay. Then Q3 is equal to value of 3 n plus 1 divided by 4th item, that is value of 3 into this n is equal to 50, 1 plus 1 52 divided by 4th item, value of 39th item. Okay, 39th item. So first 17 item and 13 item is you have to see from cumulative frequency, which is greater than 10 but less than 18, so it will be here only, it will be here only. Okay, so straight away if you see, then this value is rupees 17. First one is this, second one is 30. If you see here, then you can see here 30 is greater than 8, right? Greater than 8, greater than 80, 95, but less than 37. So it lies on this here only. Okay, 37. Sorry, this what we have to see from 39. Not I'm just this value of 39 item, which is greater than 37 but less than 47. So you have to see here straight away. So rupees 30 is your Q3. Rupees 30 is your Q3. Okay, it lies on 47, right? So 30. So you got Q3 and Q1. So QD, quartile division, is equal to 1 by 2. Is 1 by 2. Q3 is 30 minus Q1 17. It will be 6.5. This is quartile division. Coefficient of quartile division is now Q3 minus Q1 plus Q3 plus Q1. Q3 is 30 minus Q1 is 17 plus Q3 is 30 plus Q3 is 30 plus Q1 is 17. If you calculate this, it will be 0.277. Okay, so this is how you are going to find quartile division and range. Hope you understood this also. Thank you very much.